that. So I got construction right next door on this. And then there's roadworks in the street as well. This is like living in New York City. Damn. I couldn't find stretcher bars big enough in the city to stretch this canvas. So I'm gonna have to go old school and actually build the whole canvas myself and then stretch it. This isn't how I would like to do it, obviously, but you know, needs must. And it's not gonna be the final canvas, it's just so that I can paint it. Because this piece is actually gonna be painted and then pulled off the canvas, rolled up, put into a tube and sent off to America. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good size. I just went to staple it and no staples. I gotta go out and get some. Okay, I got the staples. Man, that's big. Well, I guess I should get to painting it, but I'll do that tomorrow. That's taken a surprisingly long time.